Okay, so it is, I guess it's Saturday. I don't know what the actual date is. It's our second to last day, so we're here today, tomorrow, then we fly out on Monday, go back to Bangkok, and then fly back out to the US on Thursday. So today we decided, since we've done so many temples and all that before, I decided I really wanted to do ATV. So they have an ATV place here in Siam Reap. They offer a number of different options. They had everything from a full day ride all the way down to a 1 hour ride. So I was looking at the full day ride. Well, they actually do a couple day ride. They do like a 2 or 3 day ride all the way down to a 1 hour ride. So I know I wanted to do more than 1 hour, but then when I looked at the rides for 8 hours or 4 hours, there was a lot of fluff in there. There was a lot of stuff that had nothing to do with ATV riding, like going and looking at children's orphanages, which I don't know, call me American, but for some reason taking an ATV and having a lot of fun and then going and seeing orphaned kids, that just seems wrong in so many ways. So I was looking at it as all these different things, and so oddly enough, we decided to do the 2 hour trip simply because that was the only trip that was basically just ATV. And so at 3:40 they'll be here to pick us up, which is in a few minutes, and then we get there, and at 4 o'clock we zip around for 2 hours. So although the 2 hour trip is theoretically less, it's like less time, it's not necessarily less ATV. So I didn't get to go get my hot coffee today, so I bought these two things at the local mini mart. So in a couple of minutes I will tell you what I think about these little cold things of coffee. I've never actually had these before. I've had the Starbucks Frappuccino things like way back when, but I've never had these little guys. But I need a little bit of caffeine. I'm like a little bit caffeine deprived over here. Like I say, the coffee is just so bad. It's just what did the Europeans do to coffee? I blame the Europeans. I blame every European watching this video. I blame you all for Nescafe. I blame you all. You can blame us for the Iraq War, but I blame you for Nescafe. And I think with that we're about even. But anyways, I'm gonna pop one of these open and then get my pants and all that kind of stuff on, because you have to have pants and all that to do this. And then, so the vlog for today is gonna be as we go out and take ATVs into the back. It's not really the back hills of Cambodia, the back areas of Cambodia, and we'll see what kind of an adventure this will be. Okay, so I have now finished basically my 2 little things of coffee, and my review for drinking 2 little things of coffee is 2 things of coffee. Now, they do actually pretty jack you up pretty well, but they're small. These are not like monster things. So anyways, we are getting ready. We have about another 2 minutes, and then we shall leave for the ATV. And you'll notice I'm taking my small camera, and the reason I'm taking my small camera is this is the $200 camera. So if something horrible and nasty happens to it while I'm ATVing, it's $200. Again, this is one of the benefits of having multiple pieces of equipment while you travel, is when you're doing really cool shots of temples, you use the expensive equipment. And when you're going and zipping around the backcountry on an ATV, you use the cheap thing. Me. Luke, I am your father.
Yeah, we just like to take pictures too. Did you see them?
Yeah, in Thailand, they are on the left side.
So I was confusing myself because I was like, this looks the same. And I was thinking maybe I drive on the other side at home. You know when you're not doing it. I was wondering, since you think
tam con nhau. Ô, khi chôm nhau mình. Rất là tới. Cứ này, chậm này.
Yeah, I could have been a monkey.
And did the military.
My brother has a ranch, which is like a farm.
How long have you done cockfighting for? How many years? 3 years. Good. Tempo. Like the, yeah.